Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I just had my second baby and we have a ton of toys for my 2-year-old. So not only do we always have a mess around our living room, but soon I'm going to need to contain my new little one and make sure he's not getting into anything he shouldn't. I absolutely love this play yard by TODALE. It is so easy to put together and so sturdy, even though it's very lightweight. So it's perfect for inside or outside, and it doesn't take a lot of work to set it up. I have had other play yards and some of them just aren't very high, so my 2-year-old could get right over the top of them. But thankfully this one is super sturdy and it also is high enough that he can't get out of it. It's a great size, so there's plenty of space for all my son's toys, and it has helped make our living room so much tidier. Instead of everything just laying around, I can easily just throw it all out here, and at least the mess is contained in one space. It also came with these little handles that you can hook over the edge, so when your children are learning to pull themselves up, it gives them a little bit of an extra boost. If you or someone you know needs to contain your children's toys or your children, I highly recommend this play yard. It has so much space and it is super durable and strong and really easy to move around. I love it and you will too, but that's just my point of view.